Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and we are going to discussing about our final topic, that is a module. Okay, this module is basically the files created in a TypeScript have a sorry, global global access, which is the files you created inside the TypeScript, that all the files we can able to access in a global way. Okay, which means that variable declaration in one of the files are easily to access into any other file. Okay, any other file we can able to access, because which is a script you created in by using TypeScript, the files that all we can able to access without any permission. Okay, and also the global nature can causes code conflicts and also can easy with the execution at runtime. Runtime is very easy to run it, and also is there some conflict will happen into this global nature access, because it is a very publicly we can able to access it easily. Okay, for restriction purpose we can able to as it for export and import modules functionality, which can use for avoiding for global variable access and function conflicts by using these two keywords, which is the file you created. And if you mention for export and import, that you cannot access it. That is the main advantage here. Okay, and this feature is available in JavaScript with the ESC6 release, and also supporting a TypeScript as well. Okay, TypeScript as well you can able to create it. One minute. Sorry, I got some phone. And now here what will happen? See, now I have this particular inter class, right? You can able to access this particular variables. To do that, you can able to go for simple way. I'll create one file here that is called a test.ts. Okay, and here I am going to create for variables and function, anything I can able to create. Okay, that variable we can able to access into that location or not, we'll see it. Okay, now here I am going to so where my local equal to Lokesh. Okay, this is my variable, and I'm going to creating a function, or we can able to create the function also. Okay, or we can able to create anything function, my function, and I'm going to use it here my function, and here we can able to call this function. Okay, and like this also we can able to do it, and I'm going to do for a simple format way a variable creation. Okay, now I'm going to create another file, that is test1.ts. test1.ts. Okay, now here you can able to see my variable is my local. Can able to see my local, the variable comes here. Okay, even I can able to print it here, console.log. I can able to without any call my local variable is I'm able to call it. If you want to compare, you can able to compile and you can able to run it. This is the easiest format, right? Because anybody can able to change. If I want to change this particular variable value, I can able to change it. Even I can able to mention this variable value in above my local variable equal to Lokesh to testing. This way I can able to easily to modify, because this is a global. Whenever what are the value, if you create any file, any function, any variable, Inside that, if you create one file with a TypeScript, if you create a one file, and that inside the file what are the variables having, you can able to access any other file without any restriction. This will get for some complex, right? It is a very complex to do it. Now, to reducing that particular complex, how we can able to do it? By using export or import conditions. Export means which is a variable you want to export, right? That particular variable you have to use for export. There is a variable for export. Our function also you can able to use the similar format. Now you can see error is coming. It is asking you cannot find the name as a local. Now you are not able to find the local. This particular variable is not able to find the local because you are getting for error. Without importing this particular variable, you cannot access it. How you can able to do it? Importing. For this, I can able to go ahead here, import, and I can able to use for two curly braces. And here, which variable you want to import? This my local variable. Use it here. Okay. Then give some space of from where to you are rotating, like you are accessing dot. You have to mention for dot in double quotation, use it for dot slash and file name, that is a test dot, not only test. This is the one you have to provide. You no need to provide for extension. Okay, you have to provide up to that name file. What is the file name is presented, that particular file you have to. In case if you have any folder, dot slash and folder name slash the file name. That is the way you have to specify. Now I am going to remove this one. You can see I can able to access it now without any issue. But how you can able to compare? Because this local variable value is defined into a test.txt file location, that is Lokesh. I want to read the value here. Then how we can able to read it? For this we need to do one another format, because this is a compilation which you done for previous, right? TCS, and you need to specify the dot slash and file name dot ts and to compiling the file, right? But here we have to do for two compilations. One is test.txt and test1.ts. Both the file you have to compile. How you can able to compile? And here tsc space hyphen module, because here is a module phase is there, and space common js, you have to specify space a dot slash test dot ts. Now it will create for one file. You can see one file, ts file is created. Now similar format test1 as well you have to mention. Now I'm going to comparing again. Now both the files we done compilation. Now how you can able to, which file you want to run, which is the one having the data to display, that particular value you have to run it. Now node space, no need to specify all hyphen module is not required, dot slash test1.js. Now you can see Lokesh is displayed here. Okay, this is the way we can able to restrict by using export and import condition. What are the variable or what are the functions you want to export here to any other location? You have to use it for export keyword. What are the keywords you want to consume from other files? You have to use for import keyword. But before importing that particular keyword, you have to use that particular keyword location export keyword. If you are not use the export keyword, this import keyword will not work properly. Okay, which is the variable or function? That function should be declared as export. If you declare the as export, then only you can able to import. Otherwise you can directly access for global way. Okay, this is all about for modules creation in a TypeScript, how we can able to export and import and all. I hope this concept help you to learn about the TypeScripting to understanding. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.